In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use automatic matching in QuickBooks Online. Automatic matching is a feature designed to make your life easier by streamlining the process of reconciling your bank transactions. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a solid understanding of how to leverage this tool to save time and improve your accounting accuracy. First, let's start by heading over to QuickBooks. Open your preferred web browser and type in the QuickBooks URL or simply click on your saved link to access your account. Once you're logged in, you'll want to navigate to your QuickBooks homepage, where you can see a dashboard overview of your current financial status. Now, this is where everything begins, and it's crucial to ensure your QuickBooks is updated to the latest version for the smoothest experience. Once you've got your homepage in sight, look for the Bank Transactions section. You can usually find this in the navigation bar on the left-hand side of the screen. Clicking on Bank Transactions will take you into the detailed section where all your imported bank activities are listed. Here, you can see your transactions and match them to your records. It's the heart of tracking your finances, so having it neatly organized is key. Now that you're in the Bank Transactions section, it's time to set up automatic matching. Locate the settings icon, typically found in the upper right-hand corner of the page. Clicking on this icon opens up a menu with various options. In this menu, the option for automatic matching might be labeled a bit differently depending on updates, so take a moment to find it. Generally, it's within a section related to automations or bank connections. Once you've found the automatic matching setting, it's simply a matter of toggling it on. This feature automatically matches your imported bank transactions with existing entries in your QuickBooks account. What it does is essentially cross-references your transaction data with your bank records to ensure that everything aligns perfectly. This automated process minimizes human error and saves precious time spent on manual data entry. As you activate this setting, it's a good idea to review any additional options it may offer. Sometimes you can set parameters for the matching process, such as date ranges or particular transaction types. Tailoring these settings to fit your business's specific needs will ensure you get the most out of the automatic matching feature. With that set up, QuickBooks will start doing the heavy lifting for you. You'll notice improvements in how swiftly and accurately your books line up with your bank records. Should there be any unmatchable transactions, QuickBooks typically flags these for your review. This means you can address any inconsistencies proactively, maintaining accurate and reliable financial documentation. And there you have it, a simple but powerful tool within QuickBooks that can significantly enhance your bookkeeping efficiency. Making use of automatic matching not only reduces errors, but also gives you more time to focus on growing your business. By integrating this feature into your workflow, you'll spend less time on bookkeeping and more time doing what you love. Thank you for joining me today, and happy bookkeeping!